with the magnifier, without the magnifier. Makes it a lot easier to fix small little components. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this LED desktop magnifier. I've already been using this for a month now, so I'm going to show you all the features it has, and I'm going to give my overall feedback at the end. All right, so let's get into it. So this is your desktop magnifier. You can see here it has a magnifying glass right in the middle. Here's your power on and off button. The plus and the minus buttons, this increases the light intensity and then it decreases the light intensity. This has 5 different modes right here. You're able to rotate this magnifying glass 360 degrees. The arm pivots like so. So you can move it all the way around. This is powered by a USB plug right here. You're also able to attach this to a desk if you want more space using this. All you have to do is just loosen up the screw and then you insert it here and then you just clamp this on the edge of your desk. So let me show you with the power on. So you can see here, you turn it on and you can see how bright the LED light is. If you press the minus button, it's going to decrease the light. And then if you want to press a plus, it increases the light. You press the different modes, it has different colors. So you can see here, it's the LED, it's the whole lens that's LED. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this LED desktop magnifier, I like how bright the LED is. I also like how it makes it a lot easier when I'm working on my small electronic projects when I'm trying to fix them. And I like how portable it is. And I like how you're able to attach this alone with the stand or to use the C-clamp to put it on the edge of the desk. So it makes it extra space saving. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.